Prescott Real Estate Market Update, January 2025. This is Conrad Walton at PrescottRealEstate.com. Before I give you some advice, let's look at some charts. Number of properties with a price decrease was 48% last month. This month it's 47%, almost identical. A little less than half the houses out there had a price decrease. Median price was $794,000. This month it's $786, slowly fading down. Price per square foot was $348 last month. This month it's $350. It's almost identical, no real change there. Cumulative days on market was 70 days last month, 80 days this month. They're staying on the market 10 days longer. Sold to list ratio last month was 94.8. This month it's 94.4. It's about the same, no real change there. But the thing to note is that properties selling for 5% under asking. Number of houses active in November was 1158, but in December it was only 1038. That's 120 less properties that are for sale. I think that inventory is going down because of the holidays and the winter slump. Number of homes sold in November was 230, and in December was 255. We sold 25 more homes in December than the month before. Is that because the prices are starting to drop? Interest rates have been coming down. They're about 7% now. They've been higher. They've been really stubborn in coming down. With the Fed dropping their rate, everybody expected and hoped the mortgage rates would drop quickly, but they just haven't. We're probably not going to see drops below 6.5, 6.3 maybe in the next year, 2025. Don't expect much movement beyond that. Last year was a stable year. We didn't have a huge increase or decrease in demand or in inventory. The number of houses dropped a bit. Prices are starting to drop. They've been relatively steady. No precipitous drops or gains. And I expect 2025 to be the same. I know we've got a new presidential administration. There's a lot of hope for the economy. People expecting a lot of big changes, but those changes are going to take time to, really come into effect and have an impact on the housing market. I don't see a lot of changes going on in the next year in 2025. So if you're thinking about buying or if you're thinking about selling, I don't think there's an advantage to waiting. I don't think there's going to be a lot of change coming. And if you're thinking about buying or selling property in Prescott, give me a call. My contact info is right there.